When looking at Ron, I mean, the biggest thing is in their methods, it's labor only. There's no material cost, which is a huge benefit when you're looking at what it's going to cost to solve a problem.
So we're going to let the river do the work right here. But what happened is this tree fell in a year ago to the right, and the river's already flooded several times and silted it all in with rocks and gravel and sand. So what we really want to do is have the river do exactly what it did on the right bank over here on the left bank.
I would say the cost was definitely better than alternatives we were looking at. And like I said before, I think the reason for that is there's no material cost involved. It's strictly labor. They're using materials that are already on site, bring nothing in.
Well, we were able to get more, for the dollar, we were able to get more channel realignment.
And that's sort of the process all the way down the creek. Just use the river, let the river do the work, create erosion where we want it to erode, create deposition where we want it to deposit.
I don't know for sure, but I'm going to say the old bank was probably about right here. This is pretty nice and straight, but when this tree fell over here, that's what did the damage. That's why we had to remove that.
We cleaned the brush out of the inside bank that was all depositing and drug it over to the outside bank that was eroding. We installed a kicker upstream of a big cottonwood tree that we're trying to save, so it deposits around the base of the cottonwood tree. Then as the channel shifted again, we've kicked it back toward this gravel bar in front of us on the left, with brush and trees all anchored in so they won't go anywhere. Eventually this will all fill back in, reforest, and be a nice natural area for the golf course.
Working with Channel Maintenance Systems has been a very collaborative process. They have a lot of experience in this, which is very helpful.
There are EPA requirements, Army Corps of Engineer requirements, permitting issues that you run into. In working with Channel Maintenance Systems, all of that is already taken care of.